Kovack back with another video all about the first modification you do to a vehicle. And I'm pretty sure I'm not alone with this being the first thing anybody does. And it's on the inside. This one's a little bit different because this is for your feet. Now, I had bought a set of WeatherTech floor mats originally. Had been great. They were the go-to, but this time was different. They wouldn't sit flush, they wouldn't sit flat. They ended up sending me a new set overnighted. Great customer service, but they still were not great. I think they've fixed these issues, but I have a better solution. So I'm taking care of some quick cleaning while we're taking a look at this stuff. But while they're drying, let's talk about real quick why you buy them in the first place. When you have your factory carpeting, ground in mud is really difficult to get out of here. If you don't have the equipment yourself, you're gonna end up paying the bill for somebody else. And that one-time bill is probably gonna be about the same as the cost of one floor mat. So let's take a look at the ones that I found are the single best floor mats for the GM truck series. Now this is gonna be hard to believe as someone who always buys aftermarket parts. The factory option floor liners that are beyond just the normal square rubber liner, these are actually the best thing you can possibly buy. And they match the body lines perfectly here, and this catches everything. And beyond that, it's got great grip, and it really does do a solid job. You might notice that this is a Z71 from a Silverado. They are interchangeable from a GMC Sierra to a Chevy Silverado and vice versa. Pick them up used, brand new, doesn't matter. They're gonna fit, they're gonna work, and if the label doesn't bother you, you got more to choose from. It's so hard to not do a video about this when they're so useful and so essential to your daily use of your vehicle that you kind of need to talk about it one way or another. And sneaking it into another video just didn't make sense. It made sense to do it its own. But if you like what you saw, comment, subscribe, let me know what you think. Give me some great things coming soon. All right, see ya.